Exploring the hidden gem of Ethiopia, Shashamane City. Nestled in the heart of Ethiopia lies the vibrant and culturally rich city of Shashamane. Known for its diverse population, stunning landscapes, and unique attractions, Shashamane is a must-visit destination for any traveler looking to experience the true essence of Ethiopian culture. From bustling markets to serene nature reserves, this city has something to offer for everyone. Discovering the local culture. One of the highlights of visiting Shashamane is immersing yourself in the local culture. The city is home to a large Rastafarian community, who have made Shashamane their spiritual home. Visitors can explore the vibrant Rastafarian market, where you can find unique handicrafts, clothing, and jewelry. Don't miss the opportunity to sample traditional Ethiopian cuisine at one of the many local restaurants, where you can taste authentic dishes like injera and doro wat. Exploring the natural beauty. Shashamane is surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, making it the perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Take a hike through the lush forests of the Koka Dam Nature Reserve, where you can spot a variety of wildlife and enjoy stunning views of the surrounding landscape. For a more relaxing experience, head to the Shashamane Botanical Garden, where you can stroll through beautifully landscaped gardens and enjoy a picnic by the lake. Shopping and souvenirs. No visit to Shashamane would be complete without a shopping spree at the local markets. The city is known for its vibrant markets, where you can find everything from traditional Ethiopian clothing to handmade crafts and souvenirs. Be sure to haggle with the vendors to get the best deals, and don't be afraid to try something new. Whether you're looking for a unique piece of jewelry or a one-of-a-kind piece of art, you're sure to find it in Shashamane. Cultural experiences. In addition to exploring the local markets and cuisine, visitors to Shashamane can also take part in a variety of cultural experiences. Attend a traditional Ethiopian coffee ceremony, where you can learn about the history and significance of coffee in Ethiopian culture. You can also visit a local school or community center to learn more about the daily lives of the people of Shashamane and participate in community activities. Historical sites. For history buffs, Shashamane offers a wealth of historical sites to explore. Visit the Shashamane Museum, where you can learn about the city's rich history and cultural heritage. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the Adadi Mariam Rock-hewn Church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back to the 12th century. You can also explore the ancient ruins of the Tir archaeological site, where you can see ancient stone monoliths and learn about Ethiopia's fascinating history. Outdoor adventures. If you're looking for adventure, Shashamane has plenty to offer. Take a horseback ride through the stunning countryside, where you can explore hidden trails and enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. For a more adrenaline-pumping experience, try white water rafting on the Awash River, where you can navigate thrilling rapids and enjoy the rush of the water. Relaxation and wellness. After a day of exploring the city, why not treat yourself to a relaxing spa treatment or wellness experience? Shashamane is home to a variety of spas and wellness centers, where you can indulge in a massage, facial, or other rejuvenating treatments. You can also take part in a yoga or meditation class, where you can unwind and recharge your mind, body, and spirit. Nightlife and entertainment. As the sun sets over Shashamane, the city comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. Head to one of the local bars or clubs to enjoy live music, dancing, and entertainment. You can also catch a traditional Ethiopian music or dance performance, where you can experience the energy and passion of Ethiopian culture firsthand. Don't miss the opportunity to sample the local tage, honey wine, or try a traditional Ethiopian beer. In conclusion, a visit to Shashamane is a truly unforgettable experience that will leave you with lasting memories of Ethiopia's rich culture, history, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring the local markets, hiking through the forests, or relaxing at a spa, Shashamane has something to offer for every traveler. So pack your bags and get ready to discover the hidden gem of Ethiopia. Discover the vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and unique attractions of Shashamane City in Ethiopia. Immerse yourself in the local Rastafarian community, explore the natural beauty of the Koka Dam Nature Reserve, and shop for unique souvenirs at the local markets. Don't miss out on the historical sites, outdoor adventures, and nightlife scene that Shashamane has to offer. Start planning your trip to this hidden gem of Ethiopia today.